How to use your avatar as a profile picture of your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Instagram. Then when your Instagram it's opening, as you see it's home here, you go here and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, go and click on edit profile. Then go to here and then click on use avatar like that, then click remove, and then when you will remove it from Facebook, so it will change on you, so your avatar will be as your profile picture on your Instagram account. So for me, I don't want to change it, so that's why I didn't click remove. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.